Welcome once again. Let's talk about World Network Coin. Now remember, this coin is among the top 100 crypto coins, and they have gotten listed by Binance, by Kraken, by so many top crypto exchanges. The coin is pumping right now. It's almost hitting 40% increase in price within the last few days. So many people have been talking about the World Network everywhere. Now right now, Coinbase and Get.io, remember, they are yet to list World Network. And remember, with the exchange like Coinbase and Get.io listening World Network, definitely it's going to push the price of World Network. And right now the price is trading at 28 cents. So, and Coinbase is one of the biggest crypto exchange, and right now this coin is actually pumping. If Coinbase list this coin, I think it's the right time they need to list, because most exchanges have already listed, from Binance, from Crypto.com, from Kraken, from Kucoin. So many of them have already listed World Network because it's already ranked among the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap of almost $460 million. So I kind of like, wow, I think it is time Coinbase and Get.io need to list this coin, because this coin right now is actually showing us that in the next few months or few years, don't be surprised to see World Network trading between $5 or $10 price or even more. And I'm happy to see this coin pumping right now. So I believe if Coinbase can just list this coin and Get.io, it definitely help push the coin. It will definitely push this coin to really gain a lot. So for me, it's one of the best coin right now that is trading. A lot of traders, mainly daily traders, have actually earned a lot of money right now from World Network coin. So let's hope to see if Coinbase, if Get.io, we actually jump into this coin and to say, look, it is time, we need to partner, we need to list this coin. And when that happens, this is going to definitely push this coin. I'm expecting within over 1000% increase in price in the next few months for World Network, which definitely we need. By Coinbase, we need Get.io, and especially they need to start massive burning and destroying of this circulating supply in order to help push this coin move further. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decisions.